Alright everyone, we got a pretty interesting piece in the shop. A fellow just brought this old RCA wire recorder in and he wants me to check it out. Let's see if it does anything. Whoop! So she's operating, but obviously has a bad filter cap. I bet you if I just put in a fresh filter, this thing will work just like it used to. Let's try it. Alright, I have never seen one of these units before, but this one looks like it's in great condition. A little dusty. There's Mr. Filter Cap. Everything's intact. Like I say, a little bit grubby, but that can all be cleaned up. So I'm going to concentrate on changing the filter, clean this guy up, clean the controls, and we'll go from there. There's the tag made by RCA. I don't see a model number. Very cool, very cool. Alright, let's get that changed and see what happens. Alright, here's the bottom of the unit. Pretty well built. You can see she's full of the old wax caps. This is the little cooling motor. It's kind of stiff. I'm going to see if maybe I can lube that bearing, but what I need to do first is change the filter cap, which is this guy. It's identified as a dual 20 microfarad cap at 450. I've got plenty of those laying around, so what I'm going to do is put a little terminal board in here. I'm going to swing the wires up to the terminal board and we'll install new caps underneath so that we don't affect the vintage appeal of this piece. Then we'll retest. Alright, I was able to install two 22 microfarad caps on a terminal strip, clipped the wires off the old original filter cap and just swung them up onto the strip. It was a pretty easy install. So this is the initial test, guys, after the new caps are installed. Let's see how it sounds. And you get to see the bottom view of the fan. How cool is that? Oh, there we go. I'm not sure. That static appears to be on the recording. So it is functional, and the hum is gone. So as I pointed out before, this thing is still full of the old wax caps. It appears as though one of them is pretty intermittent and it's cutting the audio out, which is this guy right here. See there? So I'm going to have to replace that cap before we can go any further. Alright, so we did a little bit of research on this magnetic recorder. It is the Model M1 12875, built in the 1950s by RCA. It's amazing that this thing still operates. Yes, it still needs a lot more work, but that's not what I'm going to do. I was asked to just get it to operate. The collector can take it from that point. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.